Hey friends, if you wish to fix ntoskrnl exe causing high CPU usage or blue screen of death error, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. Now both of these situations are different, but still I will try with general troubleshooting. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next one is an SFC scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator, type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next one is a checklist scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. And the last one will be to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So search for memory in the Windows search bar and click on the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Select Restart Now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.